In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a power bank, or actually a MagSafe power bank from the company Python, I think is how you would say that, and just kind of like going over the box here before I open it. It's a Power Mag digital magnet 2-in-1 power bank. It's 30 watt, so this has 30 watt of mobile and tablet universal charging. It's got a smart chip built in. It's got a Type-C US two-way in and out. It's a QC 3.0, whatever that is. So let me just go ahead, take it out of the package here and show you what this thing is. I've already had this out, used it some, and put it back in the box for the purpose of this video. But number one, very nicely packaged. You can see right there, that's what came in it. You get a unit, a USB-C, a small little USB-A to USB-C cable, and the instructions are pretty basic. You know what? It's a power bank. There's not much to it. But I'll tell you what I like about these type of power banks. I'll put this aside. This one, number one, this is a very premium looking power bank. This thing has such a premium look to it. It's got this chrome like around the outside that looks really good. It's a very soft white color when you plug it in to charge it. So this is going to be charging it. Check that out. It has a percentage. I always like one with a percentage on the outside. You can see I'm at 78% right out of the box, but I have used this, by the way. So this is one of the features that I absolutely love about this charger. I have the iPhone 13 Pro, which obviously has the MagSafe on the back, but you know, I think the Samsung's Notes and all of those, the Galaxies, they all have that also. And any iPhone from, I think, 11 and up has this on it now, but check this out, everybody. That is, look at that. And look how it stays connected to the phone like this. But this is another feature. You see that little leg? Look at that. It's also a stand. That's a phone stand. Is that not cool? So I have a little phone stand. You could set this on your desk and watch a movie. Notice how it just turned to a clock, and then it shows you up here in the corner how much charge you got, and that's really good. And up here, it's showing that it has charging. I'm 78%, and it's charging on this. That's the power that's in this. It looks like it's a simultaneous multi-port 3-watt out. Max power's 30 watts going out. So I have just a lightning port cable. So let's say you don't want to use that part. You just plug this in, Type-C, plug it in. Now it's on fast charging. And I think this phone goes up to 15 watts fast charging on the iPhone 13, but yours could be whatever. There's really no, I mean, every phone's basically different at this point. But I think the iPhone 13 Pro is 13, I think it's 15 watts fast charging. So 65 there. And then this button right here basically shows you the indication light. You can see right there when I hit it. See how it brings up the light. So if I want, or the LED light to see how much charge is on it. Okay, so now let's try some dual charging. There's that. That's charging. So now let's plug the USB-C cable in right here. And let's charge up my batteries. So these are my camera batteries. Let's check these out. Look at there, everybody. One of them's fully charged, by the way. So you can see right there. That one battery, it's almost fully charged too. These are already charged. I always keep fresh batteries, but it's charging it right now. Look at this. It's charging the cell phone and it's charging the batteries at the same time. So it actually has two chargers, but I think you could run a splitter off of that if you wanted to. But that right there is my main feature. Just sitting on my desk. I need to charge it real quick. I don't have to plug it in. I can just throw the phone on there and it's good to go. All right, everybody, that's all I got on the Python MagSafe charger. See you all in the next video.